Hello friends, like I said you before, I am learning this 3D animation for a greater purpose, and as you can see in my screen, this is my first 3D lab simulation for chapter Light, Refraction and Reflection, which is for my students who are studying with me in my live offline coaching center. So the reason why I have created this is because they are devoid of any practical lab experience in the school. Even though if they have a room dedicated for the lab activities, it's rarely used. So coming back to the making of this particular ray diagram in the chapter Light, Refraction and Reflection, I created this double convex lens, which is also called as converging lens, by taking the UV sphere and compressing it to make it look like lens, as you can see. And then I took a cylinder and compressed it to look like the lines which I am using here for the principal axis. Therefore the principal axis which you are seeing in the diagram is blue in color as of now, and it goes through the lens via the optical center of the lens, that means from the midpoint of the lens. And then I am creating one light ray which is parallel to this principal axis, which will be then refracted when it hits the glass, the lens, refracted towards the principal focus in the right side. And then accordingly I will be giving the emission color of the principal axis as red, which will be the final color of this principal axis. And now we will be labeling this ray diagram, and for that we will be adding the text from the mesh option in the add option. And then accordingly I will be writing the principal focus as F in the left side, and according to the sign convention rule, the object and the light ray starts from the left hand side. I have written the center of the curvature as 2F, and I did the same, I duplicated the same on the right hand side of the convex lens, the converging lens, and accordingly I have given it the value as F dash and 2F dash. So that's it for the day, and thank you for watching, guys.